नाउ एडवांटेजेज ऑफ एन एलईडी। एलईडी के जो लाभ हैं जरा समझिए, एक एक करके मैं गिना रहा हूं। इफिशियंसी, LEDs produce more light per watt than the bulbs, incandescent bulbs. So they produce more light, so they are more efficient. Color, LEDs can emit light of an intended color without the use of color filters that traditional lighting methods require. उसमें जरूरत पड़ती है कलर फिल्टर की. So this is more efficient and can lower initial cost. तो they can emit light of intended color, मन चाहे रंग की कलर पैदा कर सकते हैं. साइज क्या होता है? LEDs can be very small, smaller than 2 millimeter, and are easily populated onto printed circuit boards. They are very small, size जो है they are very small, smaller than 2 millimeter. Now on off time, LEDs light up very quickly, बहुत तेजी से लाइट आती है. A typical red indicator LED या LED will achieve full brightness in microseconds. छोटे से टाइम में ही ये फुल ब्राइटनेस इसको मिल जाती है. LEDs used in communication devices can have even faster response time. इससे भी अधिक फास्टर टाइम रिस्पॉन्स हमको मिलता है. नाउ साइकिलिंग. LEDs are ideal for use in applications that are subjected to the frequent on-off cycling, unlike the hydrogen lamps that requires a long time before restarting. तो ये जो है frequent on-off होता है साइक्लिंग. Cool light. In contrast to the most light sources, LEDs radiate very little heat in the form of infrared that can cause damage to the sensitive objects or fabrics. Wasted energy is dispersed as heat through the base of the LED. तो हमें cool light मिलती है. तो in contrast to most light sources, LEDs radiate very little heat in the form of infrared. They radiate very little heat. So we say कि जो लाइट हमको मिलती है ये cool light है. Slow failure. LEDs mostly fail by dimming over time rather than the abrupt burnout of incandescent bulbs. They fail by dimming over time. Now lifetime. LEDs can have a relatively long useful life. ये बहुत ही अधिक उम्र की होती हैं, बहुत ज़्यादा समय तक इनको हम इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं. Now shock resistance. LEDs being solid state components are difficult to damage with external shock, unlike fluorescent and incandescent bulbs which are fragile. तो ये जो है सॉलिड स्टेट कंपोनेंट्स हैं, तो ये दे आर डिफिकल्ट टू डैमेज विद एक्सटर्नल शॉक. अगर शॉक भी लगता है, धक्का भी लगता है, तो उससे ये नष्ट नहीं होते हैं. तो शॉक रेजिस्टेंस. नाउ फोकस. द सॉलिड पैकेज ऑफ द LED कैन बी डिजाइंड to focus its light. जबकि incandescent and fluorescent sources, they often require an external reflector to collect light and direct it in a usable manner. तो उसमें रिफ्लेक्टर्स का इस्तेमाल करते थे, इसमें ऐसा नहीं है. सॉलिड पैकेज ऑफ द LED कैन बी डिजाइन टू फोकस इट्स लाइट. Now, toxicity. The CFL lights contain a small amount of mercury and must be disposed of in accordance with regulations. With regulation for hazardous substances. Okay. LEDs contain no heavy metal. LEDs contain no heavy metal and can be safely disposed of with common waste. तो ये रहा टॉक्सिटी. तो ये हैं आपके एलईडी के लाभ, एडवांटेजेस.